Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to share a TikTok video on WhatsApp without a link. First thing we have to do is just open the TikTok application. Okay, and after that we just need to decide which which content of TikTok that we want to share into the WhatsApp. For example, I want to share this content that have 2.2 million likers, as well as I want to share this content into the WhatsApp with the link. So the things you have to do is just go by focusing on this features here, and you just need to click this rose button, and after that you just need to go click into this status WhatsApp. Why? Because if you click in WhatsApp only, you will be generated into the chat room and the video will be in a link form. Since you don't want to send it in a link form, you just need to click a status, and now your phone will be generate you into a WhatsApp. Just need to click WhatsApp and go in the status, and after that just need to go next. And now the TikTok video that you want to send is already in your WhatsApp status and ready to share.
Do you have any other impressions other than
your friends on WhatsApp?
I can do.
That's all the way how you share a TikTok videos with a link on WhatsApp. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.